As twilight painted the sky in soft purples and golds, Stormy and Rain snuggled beneath a fluffy blanket by the crackling fireplace. The gentle warmth wrapped around them like a hug. Rain listened as Stormy whispered stories about magical forests and kind-hearted foxes, her voice soft as the falling snow outside. Together, they imagined dancing fireflies and twinkling stars, feeling safe and happy. Rain giggled, hugging his favorite plush bunny. Stormy smiled, knowing every story brought them closer. Good night, dreamers. Subscribe for more relaxing videos.